How you're going to create your video for the evidence board video project. So the first thing you want to do is obviously make sure you're in our biomed course. So make sure you go into our course, and then on the left hand side menu here, all the way at the bottom, you'll see WeVideo, and that is where you're going to click. So we want to use WeVideo. And it's going to load a new screen here for you with your account already created. So you'll have a screen that looks something like this. And so what you want to click is click on to create a new video. And when you create your new video, if you've created anything in the past using WeVideo, it'll show up here. But you can do a lot of different things in here. So you can if you created your video already and you want to import the file, you can click on import here. If it's on your Chromebook, you can just open this menu up and you can select your video file. If you did it on your phone, what I would do is get the Google Drive app for your phone if you haven't already, and save it into your Google Drive, and then you can actually open up your Google Drive from here, connect your Google Drive, and then find the video files that way. So it's probably going to be easiest though for you to actually start and create your whole video within here and record using your Chromebook. So you can click record here, and you can use your webcam if you made like a poster, and you can put the poster up behind you and record yourself with your Chromebook webcam to create your video and go through your whole evidence board. Or if you did it on the computer, you did it digitally, you can take a screencast. So I would like you to use the screen and webcam so we can actually see your face explaining it, and then be able to go through and explain your whole digital poster, digital evidence board, because it'll record whatever is on your screen along with your face and your voice explaining the whole process. So that is how you would record. And once you have those recordings, you can actually put them down into this little timeline down here, and you can edit your video. So if you messed up and you want to clip something out, you can edit it there. You can also add like titles in and captions. If you forgot to say something, you want to add something in, or you just want to organize your sections, you can do it that by just clicking and dragging down into this timeline here where you want it to be. And then when you click on it, you can edit the actual text and everything that you want it to say. So you just have to double click on that to edit the text. You can add music and sound effects if you want to. Again, you just click and drag from this library up here. You can add, effects between videos. If you have multiple videos and you want to add different effects in, you can do that. You can add different backgrounds in if you've got pictures that you want to overlay. There's really a lot of options, and if you're really interested in being able to edit and, make it really something special, you can use all of the editing features. And if you're not so familiar with how to use editing software, there's a way you can kind of make it a little bit easier on yourself. So this is the timeline view where you can really do a lot of precision editing. Whereas if you go here and you go to switch to storyboard all the way at the bottom, and then click on switch, it makes it a little bit more simple. So you can have the theme, the music, you can record a voiceover, and then you can kind of just drag and drop a little bit more simply in a storyboard kind of fashion here. So if that's a little bit too confusing and you want to be able to use a little simpler, again, you just click the menu and then switch to storyboard. And if you want to switch back, you can switch to timeline and go back and do more precise edits. Then once you're all done with your whole video and you're satisfied with what it is, and you can always preview it by clicking here, and it'll preview with what it looks like as well. But then once you're all done, you're going to click on finish, and you'll give it a name, and then you'll hit set the title. And then when you're here, you're going to choose right here, the Schoology logo. You're going to choose Schoology, And then you're going to select the evidence board video project right here as your assignment. And then you will click OK. And when you click OK, it takes you here. And then you just click export and it will submit the assignment for you. So that's pretty nifty, pretty easy for you to hopefully do. If you've got any questions, obviously let us know. But good luck creating your video. I look forward to seeing some really creative ideas and some pretty cool videos.